In this next step, I'm going to play around with the levels adjustments on this lower level of the dancer. So I'm going to click on it to make it the active layer, make sure it's active, and come up here to where you see image and adjustments, and I'm going to come over here to the one that says levels. Click on levels. It's going to bring up my levels window for me. Now what I want to do is play around with how these levels are adjusted and how they affect my image. You have some default values that are set up. You'll notice if I come down and click a different preset, there's darker, increase contrast. So notice each one of these gives me a slightly different effect on my light levels on this particular image. Now I don't have to use these. I can go back and choose to select auto over here, and it will make a auto adjustment based on what Photoshop thinks is appropriate. I can also come over here to these little eyedroppers, and I can pick some different samples to help adjust this image as I'm working with it. So if I click the first one and I want to come over and choose sort of my blackest point here, I'm going to grab that. That gives the Photoshop levels adjustment some idea about what is the blackest black here. This is for my grays. I'm going to come find a gray, something that I think kind of fits the grays that I want to work with. I'll click on that one. And finally I have one, this third one for white. So I'm going to come over here and click on the white. So I've defined my black, my gray, and my white for this image. Now I can come over here and manually adjust these sliders until I'm happy with whatever effect I'm trying to accomplish here. So you can see I'm just adjusting these sliders. I can also change my output levels down here. So maybe I want to see more of the palm trees through. Or perhaps I want to see less. I want to bring more of the dancer in. So you get the idea. You want to play with these until you've come up with some settings that you're happy with the effect and you're pleased with what your results are, and then just click the OK button, and now you've got your levels adjusted on this second layer.